Hello and welcome to this little tutorial to recap what we have learned so far and also how to add video from YouTube. So very quickly, just at the top here, I'm going to have a title for my project, and it'll be African animals. In the page, in the code, inside the head, as you know, we put also the title. And now in the body, we're going to have our main heading, which would be H1. Okay, and we're going to put African animals. Okay. I'm going to now have a subheading. That would be an H2, smaller type of heading. And I'm going to have elephants, for example. Next thing, let's put a paragraph and just get some text. I have some text here ready. So I'm going to collect this text here up to there. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it onto my page. There it is. Lots of information about elephants. That's great. It would be good to add an image, so I need to upload the image. So subir archivo from your computer. There's one. I'm going to upload the image, and now I'm going to insert the image. Now the quickest way to do it is to get this code here, just by the picture. So I'm going to copy that, go back to my web page, and paste it there. And I've now got this is what it looks so far. Nice little paragraph and a picture. And what I need now is to add a video. I have a video here about African elephants. I click on compartir or share and click on the insertar code. So copy that code. Copied. Go back to your section here. I'm going to add a little space, BR for a space, and I'm going to paste the code. And what we get is a lovely image here with a little bit of space, and we have the video. So we could perhaps move the picture before the text just to break it. Go back here after H2, put the picture there. So maybe that looks a bit better. So bit of text, H2, H1, a picture and a video. Isn't that amazing?